Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Freenotes and picking the note where you want to scribble. This is where context matters. Once the note is ready, tap the Scribble tool and select a pen size and color so strokes are visible. Make sure palm rejection is enabled and pressure sensitivity is configured if you use a stylus, because that prevents accidental marks and gives natural line variation. After that quick check, position your hand and start drawing a simple guideline to test feel and responsiveness. Once you have basic strokes, organize your work with layers so sketches remain editable and text stays crisp. Layering avoids accidental edits. Then fine-tune smoothing and stabilization to reduce jitter. Use higher smoothing for steady lines and lower for quick annotations. If you need precision, lower pen size and adjust opacity to trace. When appropriate, convert scribbles into shapes or editable text to improve readability. This step lets you mix freehand creativity with structured, searchable. To finish, tidy layers and export the note in the format you need: PNG for images, PDF for sharing, or the native Freenotes file to preserve edits. Use undo and the eraser to correct small errors, or step back through history for larger fixes. Merging layers is optional if you want a single flat image. If strokes look wrong, recalibrate your stylus and toggle palm rejection to resolve input issues. This usually fixes drift misses or ghost strokes and gets you back to clean scribbling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.